Hi guys! A lot of you may be confused about what's this video about. Well, come along with me. So to start off, I want this video to be about my journey in my English vocabulary because classes will start next month and I'm in college and my major is English and my course, yeah, and my Bachelor of Secondary Education, yeah, ang dami kong pause. Oh, English only. I don't know why I keep on lowering my voice when I'm talking in English. It's like I'm going to that I mean high pitch voice like that. I just want to feel normal when I'm talking in English like this. I just wanted to talk normally and so I can. Why am I stuttering? What kind of journey is this? Anyway, since this is my day one, what am I going to do? I just want to have a conversation with myself through this phone, through this video, only myself. I don't have someone to talk to in English. My brothers are busy. I don't want to talk to my mom in English because I don't get serious with it. I always ended up laughing. Yeah, I need to stop saying yeah. That ruins everything. Sorry. Starting off, I already said that. Basically, English is our secondary language here in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm a Filipino, typical Filipino. You can clearly hear that I have that Filipino accent, but not that deep because I don't pronounce some words that harsh. Yeah, I can have an intonation. I can have that kind of accent of other. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm basically here at my work doing edits. I just finished a project. It's a calling card, and I'm free right now. So that's why I'm doing this video. There are not much of customers. So yeah, I'm stuck here till 4 p.m. It's right now it's 10:05 and I'm sleepy and I'm hungry. My break time is later 11 a.m. and I cannot go home because I'm alone in my shift. I don't have partner right now. Unlike yesterday and Tuesday, it's Thursday already. Next month is first day of class, August 13th, and I'm not ready yet. That's why I'm practicing my English, and I want to be creative with my introduction. Like, hi everyone. What? What? I wanted to be like, hi everyone. My name is Romel Jan Vituania. Yeah, yo. I live in San Mateo, Rizal. Yeah, I'm just basically saying my address right now. I don't want everyone to know where I live. Well, basically, those be watching this is basically my friends, my relatives, and random people in my Facebook account, and basically no viewers in my YouTube channel because who am I? I'll be uploading this in TikTok. and I don't know. I don't have followers. I don't have that followers there. Also, mm, yeah, I'm just bored. That's all for today. Bye. So this is my day one. Just to clarify this. Bye.